Whether you're trying to get the perfect shine in your engine bay or on your wheels, or you're cleaning up a part to get a gasket on, you want an engine degreaser to help you get the job done. An engine degreaser is a cleaning solution designed specially to remove grease, oil, and grime from engines, machinery, and various surfaces. 1. Oil-eater engine degreaser. This 1-gallon container packs a powerful punch, trusted by both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This specially formulated degreaser effortlessly dissolves and removes the toughest grease and oil stains. It's a versatile, eco-friendly, biodegradable, and reliable cleaning solution with a refreshing lemon scent, suitable for a wide range of applications, from automotive maintenance to industrial degreasing. Oil Eater simplifies your cleaning routine, leaving surfaces in pristine condition. With its ultra-concentrated formula, Oil Eater works wonders on various surfaces, leaving no chemical smell behind. It's USDA approved for food facilities, making it an ideal choice for any application. 2. Chemical Guys Engine Degreaser. This 16 FL Oz bottle is your all-in-one solution for effective cleaning. Designed for a variety of surfaces, it effortlessly tackles the toughest dirt, grime, and grease on the car, truck, motorcycle, RV, or other vehicles. From automotive applications to cleaning around the home, this high-performance citrus degreaser is trusted by enthusiasts and professionals alike. Its advanced formula works directly without dilution, breaking down grease, oil, and grime with ease. Use it on engine bays, tires, wheels, machinery, and more, for spotless results. Rest assured, it's tough on stains but gentle on your vehicle's paint, metal, and plastic surfaces. Plus, it's biodegradable, making it an eco-friendly and safe choice for regular use. 3. Simple Green. If you're looking for the best combination of price and quality, we can't find a better option out there than Simple Green. Not only is it extremely affordable and effective, but it's an environmentally friendly formula. It's biodegradable and non-toxic, making it a great choice for the environment too. Of course, it all comes down to the cleaning power in the end, and Simple Green doesn't disappoint. The only real drawback is that it only comes in a concentrated option and you'll need your own spray bottle. This requires a bit more preparation on your end, but it also helps keep the cost down since you're not going through as much product. 4. Sonax Engine Degreaser. This cleaner provides a high-performance experience trusted by automotive enthusiasts and professionals alike. This cutting-edge formula is specially designed to tackle the toughest grease, oil, and grime that accumulate in your engine bay. Its powerful cleaning action ensures a thorough removal of built-up contaminants, restoring your engine to its optimal condition. The Sonax Engine Degreaser and Cleaner offer versatility, suitable for a wide range of automotive applications. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, this cleaner is ideal for maintaining the cleanliness and performance of your vehicle's engine. Safety and environmental responsibility are top priorities. This biodegradable and non-corrosive degreaser is safe for both the environment and human skin and toughest on the stains. 5. Pour 1.5 Engine Degreaser. This 1-quart container delivers top-notch cleaning without flammable risks, making it perfect for various cleaning tasks. Whether you're tackling automotive maintenance or industrial applications, this non-flammable, water-based cleaner is your reliable partner. This unique water-based cleaner not only effectively removes grease, oil, and surface grime from a wide range of surfaces, including vinyl, nylon, holding tanks, grease traps, auto parts, and more, but it's also safe, versatile, and easy to use. Prioritizing safety without compromising cleaning power, it ensures that your surfaces stay perfect, shiny, and long-lasting. 6. WD-40 Engine Degreaser. This degreaser offers a high-performance cleaning experience trusted by both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This cutting-edge solution is crafted to tackle the toughest, greasy and dirtiest surfaces. Its foaming spray action clings to surfaces, providing extended contact time for superior cleaning. This versatile product is ideal for automotive maintenance, machinery, and equipment cleaning. It adheres to vertical and overhead surfaces, penetrating deep into engines, machinery, and equipment to break down stubborn grease and grime without excessive scrubbing.